Question 16, the figure below shows rectangle ABCD. The length of the rectangle is 24 cm and the breadth is 18 cm. The length of AD is 3 times the length of ED. AD is 3 units and ED is 1 unit. We need to find the shaded area. The breadth BC is 18 cm, hence AD, which is also the breadth of the rectangle, will be 18 cm. To find the shaded area, we first have to find the entire rectangle and minus off the area of these two unshaded triangles. To find the area of the unshaded triangle ABE, we will need the base and the height. So let's try to find the length of AE. We have 3 units is equals to 18 cm, 1 unit will be 6 cm, and 2 units will be 12 cm. Hence AE is 2 units, and that will be 12 cm. Let's find the triangle ABE. That will be half times 12 times 24. If I do cancellation here, 12 times 12 is 144 cm squared. Now let's find the area of the unshaded triangle BCF. Triangle BCF will be half times the base is 18, times the height is 8 cm. And again, I will do cancellation. 9 times 8 will be 72 cm squared. Now to find the rectangle ABCD, that will be 24 times 18. 24 times 18 gives us 432 cm squared. Now we are ready to find the shaded area. The shaded area will be the entire rectangle, which is 432 cm squared, minus these two areas, which are the unshaded triangles. So minus 144 minus 72. That gives us 216 cm squared.